Hi everyone, welcome back once again to VIH Group Daily Hacking News Series. I hope you are enjoying this series and I hope you have subscribed this channel as well because we are one and only YouTube channel into the entire universe who are bringing hacking news on daily basis. So that's what we have and I hope you will drop a thumbs up for appreciation. Anyways, let's start with the first news. We have around 8 news and going to show you something, right, which is going to be very much helpful for you. So let's start with the first news. So guys, there is around 300 YouTube channels where the video was actually hiding some sort of URLs. So basically, there's a lot of investigation which was going around, and 3,000 videos were pointed out where the links that they are showing, ki download all those things, download crack, download this, and it was seems to be a tech channel, right? It was saying, ki download this game for free. There is a URL in the description. Just click it out. And guys, it was hiding a massive malware, right? There was a massive malware campaign. Okay, and it was a kind of ghost network operations, which is very huge, right? You can check out entire thing how it's working, and you can see exactly how this is working. YouTube and then post request is something getting there, and yes, that's what we have. So guys, always make sure when you click any link, understand exactly what's behind, right? So now let's move to next news. So next news is basically coming from Microsoft. Yes, अरे उसी को जिसको आ रहा था कंपटीशन दे रहा है anyways. So the news is basically related to Microsoft. So the hackers just found a way to steal Teams chat and emails, right? So Teams, Microsoft Teams is one of the most secure platform that we have on internet. So hackers just found a way to steal the chat and email whatever they have onto their server, right? So they stole the tokens and read private messages, whatever you are communicating with your teammates, your girlfriend, your wife, anyone, they can see, right? So guys, check your login history and remove unknown application if anything is connected with it. It's because of token is being used and by you which the things is getting access, right? So that's what we have, right? Always check out, it's not always secure. So basically it's like they also need to take care of some sort of what you say, security policies. Okay, so if you're a startup, if you're running a startup, if you want your site should be secure, right, then you can do a pen test of a website. And even if you want to learn pen test, there is a big scope, like you'll get a very huge job, right? So for that you can check out this world viehgroup.com/tci if you want to create a web application pen testing, right? So check it out what we are teaching here. Anyways, next news is coming from, not coming from, it's related to Telegram. So guys, fake Telegram apps are stealing user data. So hackers are hiding the malware inside the look-alike application like Telegram, right? You can see here a logo. So hackers are injecting some sort of malware. Okay, they are spreading this is the premium version of Telegram. You don't have to purchase anything premium. Okay, so that's what they are showing, and there is something which is injecting a system, like probably for the Android right now. So install from App Store or Play Store only. Next news is coming from Amazon. So we know there was a downtime for Amazon. So this is because Amazon had just come up forward and they just said there is a technical fault which was causing a big AWS outage, right? So there was a mini website, there was a mini application went down for hours, right? So this is actually what means how much internet is dependent on cloud, right? How much we are dependent on cloud because most of things is hosted on AWS. So that's what we have. Next news related LockBit, guys, one of the dangerous ransomware family. Okay, so they have just released ransomware 5.0, or you can say LockBit version 5, right? Basically, the LockBit gang, they have launched this version, right? And it actually, this is for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Okay, it target Windows, Linux, and VMware system if you're installing, and just update, right? Update, whatever you have, just update it as soon as possible. Next news is related to a self-spreading malware. There is a glass worm which is called a self-spreading malware. So this is a new virus which just came into the market, right? And this is spreading through VS Code extension. So it can steal password and crypto wallets, whatever you have. And like if you have any unknown extension in your VS Code, just remove it as soon as possible, right? Because there might be something malicious. Next is bitter APT. So there is a WinRAR you probably used. Like WinRAR is one of the most famous tool for which we have never paid. They always ask for the money, like we are providing the WinRAR and we want money for the subscription, but we just click on cross and it's like always free. So there was a 0-day serious bug which was found in WinRAR, and hackers used to install malware when you open a bad file, and that's what they have. Update your WinRAR as soon as possible, right? It will be passed. Now, next news is related to APT36 in India. Guys, there's a hacking group which is called APT36. They are sending fake emails to the Indian officials. If you're working in any of the government agencies, they are just trying to do all those things. The email install desperate malware to spy on system, and don't open a null email attachment, right? You might get hacked. So that's what we have today, right? Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. check out this URL if you want to be a part of cybersecurity community, if you want to secure a website application and want some sort of money. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.